Good evening to all. Welcome to the news updates. Today, Parliament passes National Commission for Allied Healthcare Professionals Bill.
May now move that the bill be passed.
Sir, I move that the bill be passed.
The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted and the bill, as passed by Rajya Sabha, is passed.
A bill to set up a commission for regulating and prescribing uniform education standards for allied and healthcare professionals was approved by Parliament, with the Lok Sabha giving nod to the legislation by a voice vote on Wednesday. The National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professionals Bill 2021 seeks to provide for regulation and maintenance of standards of education and services by allied and healthcare professionals. Replying to a debate on the bill, Union Health Minister Harsha Vardhan said that the legislation is aimed at fulfilling long-pending demands of the sector and enhance employment opportunities for professionals.
And the bill provides for equal treatment to all the professional categories. And these categories are formed by clubbing similar professions together. As you know, 56 professions have been put in 10 categories.
The bill provides for regulation and maintenance of standards of education and services by allied and healthcare professionals, assessment of institutions, maintenance of a central and a state register, and creation of a system to improve research and development and adoptions of latest scientific advancement.
This bill is our endeavor to honor the selfless service and dedication of our health workers. In this case, the large group of allied and healthcare professionals whose time for limelight has finally arrived.
The majority of members, including opposition parties, praised the government and Health Minister Harsha Vardhan for bringing the legislation, recognizing the contribution of allied healthcare professionals, giving them dignity and establishing the respect long due to them. Whenever COVID pandemic is mentioned, the doctors and nurses are recognized as frontline warriors. However, the allied and healthcare workers have played a major role in its management, the health minister said. Underlying the role played by paramedics and allied healthcare workers such as lab technicians, radiographers, dietitians during the coronavirus pandemic, the minister said they were as much part of people's recovery as doctors. The paramedics and allied healthcare workers are a critical part of the medical profession, and their contribution is similar to doctors, if not more. The group of allied professionals is large, and the bill is trying to regulate this field by providing the dignity to their roles, he said. It's a matter of great joy and happiness for the lakhs of healthcare workers and professionals across the country. Standardization will improve the distribution of such healthcare workers. This bill makes a paradigm shift, is making it more patient-centric, he said. The bill has already been passed by Rajya Sabha last week. This is the end of this news bulletin. Thanks for watching today's updates. Please support us by subscribe our channel. Thank you.